Bengaluru started off well. Then Lajong took up all the chances. Here was the first good one. Figo Sindai cracking the side netting. Everbright driving in. That shot didn't have the venom. Hardy having an effort from range. Here was a chance created by Nikhil Mali. And Figo Sindai and Everbright have had so many chances. This was the best chance for Bengaluru. Nikhil Mali forcing a save, but here's the wonder goal. Oh my goodness me, what a hit. Chipped, delicate, accurate, precise and beautiful. Figo cutting in from the right on his left foot and ever tighter in midfield, but Bengaluru have it back, looking to find Vijay on the run. Looking to find Shajan Franklin, but it's been won back by Lajong, but they've lost it. Here's Bedashwar driving in towards the right for Chiranjit. He kept it in. Back inside. Pass in. Cleared away by the men in red. Can they launch a counter? Everbright to Hardy on the right side. Hardy. It's for the defender, who does well to intervene. Appeal for a handball, not given by the referee. Everbright has it now on the edge of the area. Everbright cutting in, driving in. Everbright. It's gone for chip ball. Oh my God! Everbright has sent Lajong fans into rupture. What a hit from Everbright, driving in from the left flank. Delicate and absolutely genius from the left winger. Everbright Sana, number 25, has opened the scoring on the stroke of half-time with a moment of absolute magic. And well dealt with as well by Lingdo. Corner by Miranda at the near post. Shajan was there. Miranda will keep it in at the far post. Ball in! And that's a brilliant header! And Bengaluru United have their response. Fantastic ball in at the far post. And it's Manjit Sharma who has headed home the equalizer for Bengaluru. Lovely header. Brilliantly placed. And Manjit Sharma gets... Let's take a look at some of the big moments in the game. It was the first big one right in the first half. Free kick from Figo Sindai, hitting the side netting. This was Everbright. Taking an effort. Those two would be the men who would make the difference in the end. Chances on both there. Going for the win. Bobby Lingdo, the manager, has set his team up to go out there and win. Here's Hame Walang. He's won it back. Looking to play in behind. Lovely spread away. He's down in the box. No foul given. Licked on and goal. And the crowd there again because it's Figo Sindai who's headed home the winner. Lajong lead 2-1. Fantastic header by Figo Sindai. Lajong back in front with less than 10 minutes of regulation time left to play. And Lajong reverberates. Got the assist for the first goal. Can he get another brilliant cross in? Selvin's ball in at the far post to Shubha, cleared away. Shanti, and there's the final whistle. And listen to the Lajong fans. Shillong Lajong have a huge victory. Their second win in the final stage in the hunt for I-League promotion. And what a win the home crowd have been able to witness. The light among the players and the fans. And it's a brilliantly passionate crowd who have cheered their team on, buoyed them on towards victory. An equalizer early in the second half. But right on cue, Vigo Sindai scoring the winner with 10 minutes left on the clock with a delicate header into the far corner. Look at the Lajong players cheering up the crowd. A sensational crowd getting to witness their team celebrate and pump them on. 2 games left for Shillong Lajong. They are now on 7 points. They are top of the table for the time being. As for Bengaluru United, they gave it a right good go all through the 90.